want is one guy gets in and we're gonna throw. I'm gonna try to reach out and tap him in the head. And he has to feel when that extension comes, he's looking for the moment to let me through in this.
Violence destroys. Weaponizing is the counter strategies to violent criminal assault. Hey, I'm Greg LaBeouf, aka The Violence Guy, and I'm sharing with you how I went from the victim of a brutal attempted murder to mastering the tool of violence and protecting myself and family, and how you can do the same from the safety and comfort of your own home. Welcome to Weaponizing DIY.
Your legs sit on the heat, and we'll talk to our pilot here, right? But how do you steer the plane? You got the pedals. The pedals help steer the plane, right? This is not static. This is those pedals. This is how you steer the hips. You don't want to try to be down on the quad. You don't want to be up in the fucking stomach. You want to be on the hip bones. You want to sit right in the crease of the leg. He wants his one foot in there and the other foot in here. Because what he's doing is he's steering my hips. Yeah, we're going to get rhythm here. Yeah, he's steering my hips. Why? Because if I reach off, see what happens? When I reach off here and go to hit, he keeps this solid. Because my hip can't turn into that. You see how he affects that? My hip can't turn into the punch. So, and again, it's hard when you got a guy that's really putting fucking aggressive weight on you, but you got to keep the pressure and be steering him here and feeling that. At the same time, his hands are up. So he's blocking that head. And I might try to sit over the top of him and throw, but he's blocking here. Now, I don't want this to be super fucking fast because I want him to work timing. But when he's here and I'm feeding like this, he can't work timing. It's too slow. There's no energy for him to feel because my body is here. And it's like, there's no pressure. So what I want is, one guy gets in and we're going to throw. I'm going to try to reach out and tap him in the head. And he has to feel when that extension comes, he's looking for the moment to let me through in this. And then the second we hit, I'm down here. Okay? And then we're going to sit, come right back up. So in this position here, and just trying to hit, and he's got to feel that pressure. Yeah, like, oh, he's got to reach for it. Yeah, he's got to work to get that. Okay, so we're actually going to put in a little bit more realistic timing.